If you are a beginner online and you have been thinking about something you can learn, maybe a skill or a business that you can start doing so that you can be making money between the space of 30 days to 60 days to 90 days, then this is a video you should watch to the end, because in today's video I want to share with you 10 new ways you can make money online as a beginner. Now, all of these businesses or all of these skills I want to mention are things that are currently working. If you take any of them and you learn it very well, if you master it, you can start making money in the space of 30 days to 90 days. I can promise you that, because some of them that I'm mentioning, I am currently doing them. All right, so make sure that you watch this video to the end. Make sure that you don't skip any part of this video, because if you skip, you might be missing out on the value that I'll be sharing in this video. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. My name is Awajima Misioto. On this channel, we talk about how you can do stuff online and how you can make money and grow your business. So before we get into the video, kindly do me a favor of liking, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. All right, there's a bell somewhere below this video. Look at the bell there. Make sure to click it. When you click it, it helps you to be able to get notified whenever I share a new video. All right, so let's get straight into the video. Let's talk about 10 new ways you can make money online as a beginner. Remember, I told you that all of these things I want to mention in this video are things you can learn today and start making money in the space of 30 days to 90 days. So let's get straight into it. My number one on the list is creating and selling ebooks. Creating and selling ebooks is a very easy skill anybody can learn and start making money from the word go. You can write and sell ebooks on platforms like Amazon. You can sell on Seller. You can sell on Gumroad. You can create the ebook on any topic that you want. For instance, I have an ebook that is selling. This particular ebook is currently selling. And interestingly, this book was created without spending a dime. What did I do? I used just my smartphone plus internet connection plus the knowledge that I have. I turned it into an ebook, and the book is still selling till today. I don't need to go anywhere. I don't need to leave my house. I don't need to spend money on delivering the book. In fact, I'm not even paying for the hosting platform I'm using. Are you getting this now? So this is a skill you can learn in the space of 1 week and start monetizing in 30 days. Why I said 30 days between 90 days is because there are some people that may not get the same results. Some people may not get their results in 30 days. Some may not get their results in 60 days, probably because of different reasons. But I can tell you that if you are a very serious person and you implement crazily, mark the word, if you implement aggressively, I can tell you that in the space of 30 days, you're going to make your money. All right. So this is a skill that you can learn and implement and start making money. You can pick a topic like cakes. You can pick a topic like relationship. You can just pick anything that you know that a lot of people are looking to learn. There's something you know. There's a value that people are willing to pay you for. If you can convert that solution into something that people can read on their smartphone or on their laptops, you have an ebook already. So this is a very, very, very good skill that you can learn and start making money for yourself as a beginner. So that is number one. If you want to learn how to do ebooks, there's a link in the description. Go to that link. All right, go to the link. You're going to see links to access to more information about my ebooks or how you can learn how to create ebooks. That's my number one. Let's go to number two. Number two is AI faceless video creation. AI faceless video creation. Now, you can use AI tools like Synthesia. I use Synthesia or Hedging to create faceless videos for YouTube, for TikTok, for Instagram, and monetize them through ads. through sponsorship or selling your video selling your video content. All right. Now, currently as we speak, there are thousands and millions of business owners that are looking for AI video content creators. What does that mean? If you know how to create AI video content, faceless video content, you can put a video together and sell it online. You can even teach people how to do it. You can be doing it for people and be collecting money. Are you getting it now? Let me show you an example. Look at this video that you see on your screen now. This video was made from AI. I did not have to go anywhere. I did not have to stress myself to create the video. This video was done on my phone. Are you getting it now? You can make money from this, especially if you know how to, if you have people who are into video content, YouTube channel or TikTok, you can make money from this. Create video for them, tell them you can create it for their channel and start charging them for it. Some people don't have the time. They have the channel, they don't have the time. You can make money from this. All right. This is number 2. Number 3 is WhatsApp status ad. Yes. What is WhatsApp status ad? WhatsApp status ad is just you building your audience or building a large audience and then renting out your status for business owners that are looking for visibility and sales. Very easy. You build your status, you build your views, build your audience, collect people's contacts, save their contact, they save your own. And by so doing, you are building an audience of people that are always watching your status. Are you getting it now? If you can build to the point that 1,000 persons are viewing your status, you have a business already. You can start charging people to rent your status. You collect money and post their business on your status. This business that I'm saying, this business that I'm talking about is very, very lucrative. People are doing this business. I know people who are doing this business and they are making money from it. Now, is it going to be easy to build a large audience? No. But is it profitable? Yes. So if you want to do this business, you really have to understand how it works. But I can tell you for sure that you can build your status, your viewers, and then start renting out your WhatsApp status. So this is number 3. Let's go to number 4. Number 4 is TikTok international account. I don't know if you know, but if you have been using TikTok for a while, you will understand or you will notice that the TikTok account we use here for local, we in this part of the world, is quite different from what the international community are using. For example, let me show you what I mean. See these screenshots. This is what your TikTok account will look like when you have an international account, or maybe when you are in the UK. Are you getting it now? The essence of what I'm saying now is that the benefits, there is more benefits in when you have an international account than when you are using your local account. That's what I just showed you now. Are you getting it now? Look at the picture again. Are you seeing? This is the local account. Look at this other picture now. This is an international TikTok account. You can see there are some things missing, like this place. You will not see it in the normal local TikTok account. Are you getting it now? So there are content creators that are looking for somebody that can help them create a TikTok account, an international TikTok account. Why? Because they want to grow faster. They want to get the best benefits. Are you getting this now? Are you seeing this now? So if you can learn how to create a TikTok account, international TikTok account, you can start doing it as a business. You can start charging people to pay you to create international TikTok accounts. Are you getting it now? So this is something you should start looking at. So don't just be using TikTok and be using TikTok without knowing the updates or without knowing the secrets of what you are using. All right. Now, before I get to number 5, if you want to learn how to create international TikTok accounts and be making money from it, then go to the comment section and drop a comment for me. I'm going to show you how to do it. Although it's not going to be free, but I'm going to show you how to do it. That's number 4. Number 5 is doing tiny tasks online. You can earn money by completing simple tasks like watching ads, taking surveys, testing apps on platforms like Clickworker, Apen, Remote Tasks, Owo Daily, and different platforms. All right, there are so many platforms where you can do tiny tasks. In fact, one of the hottest tasks you can do right now to make a lot of money is streaming videos online. I know somebody who does that. Are you getting it now? You can be doing that. Although these are not things I want to be doing. I don't have the time to do all of that. But you can still make money from doing tiny tasks. I've tried it before. It is very, very real. What you are seeing on your screen now is a screenshot of my account. One of the accounts I used to use. I normally used to do tiny tasks, but I've stopped it for now. But this is something you can start doing if you're a beginner. All right, that is number 5. Number 6 is social media account optimization. Social media account optimization. What does this mean? There are people who have social media accounts that they don't know how to maximize it. They don't know how to use it. They don't know how to position themselves so that they can be visible online. That is where you come in. If you know how to manage a social media account, if you know how to set up the bio, if you know how to, arrange it in such a way that people will now start following the page, that is what optimization is all about. You can start charging people for that. One of the hottest places to do that is on LinkedIn. LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, these 3 that I mentioned now, you can charge people to optimize their pages for them. And once you can do that correctly, you can help them to increase their engagement. You can help them to increase visibility for their business. You can help them to monetize. So that's the essence of optimizing your social media account. If you optimize it very well, if you can help people to do it very well, you can help them monetize. You can help them attract new clients. You can help them grow their followers. That's the essence of monetization. That's the essence of social media account optimization. Number 7 is e-commerce business. If you can learn how to do e-commerce very well, you can start getting products for cheap and selling them online. That is what e-commerce is all about. Take a look at Jumia, take a look at Konga in Nigeria. These are businesses that run e-commerce. All right, these are example of e-commerce companies. You can learn this in the space of 30 days and make your money in the space of 30 days. I can tell you for real, this is real and legit. Are you getting this now? If you want to learn more about e-commerce, go to the link in the description. I'll drop all the links that you need for you to get access to learning programs where you can learn all these things I've been mentioning. That's number 7. Number 8 is WhatsApp training classes. WhatsApp training classes is another high-paying skill that you can learn. You can offer paid training sessions. You can train people on WhatsApp groups and start charging them. Are you getting this now? This works for you if you are somebody that you know how to bake cake, you know how to teach affiliate marketing, you know how to teach whatever you want to be teaching. You can gather people in a group and teach them and charge them to pay for your skills. Are you getting this now? This is a very good skill. I'm sure you know about this. All right. So I don't need to say much about it. Just pick what you want to be teaching, run adverts to attract people to the group, then teach them and charge them for your skills. That's number 8. Number 9 is PayPal account creation. PayPal account creation. You can help people to set up a verified PayPal account to help them for their international transactions. especially in regions where PayPal access is limited. You can charge a fee for your service while ensuring compliance with the legal requirements. This works for you if you are in Africa. If you are in Nigeria, you can create PayPal accounts for people, especially for those freelancers that used to collect money in dollars from international clients. Are you getting this now? You can also, apart from PayPal, you can help people to be creating virtual dollar accounts. You can help people to open dollar accounts that they can be transferring and receiving money on. Are you getting this now? So that's just like a bonus for you. That's number 9. Number 10, which is my last one, is you can make money from creating YouTube accounts for people. Right now, YouTube is hot. You can offer your YouTube account creation services, help people to build YouTube accounts, set it up for them, and charge them for that. Are you getting it now? This is something that can work for you if you know how to do it very well. These are simple skills that doesn't take you up to 5 days or 1 week to learn. You can learn it, implement, and start making money for yourself. If you have 10 persons paying you 20,000 naira to create a YouTube channel, to set it up for them, that is some good money in your account monthly. All right, that's some good money in your account monthly. I need you to start thinking about these areas, not just, wasting your time or scrolling on the internet and just watching videos that will not help your life. Are you getting it now? So start thinking about this. Start looking at how you can learn any of these skills so that you can start monetizing in 30 days or 90 days. All of these skills I've mentioned are things you can learn today, implement it today, and start seeing results in 30 days or 60 days or 90 days. I believe that you have gotten value from this video. If you got value from this video, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. All right, that's all we are going to do in this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Please make sure that you check the link in the description so you don't miss any of the details or the resources that I have dropped there. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.